신난다. 오래간만에 바다 왔다. 저기 왜 다 걸어가? 여기 왜 다 걸어야 돼? 리즘 라이드. 여기는 잡고 걸어가야 되는 지역인가봐. 우리는 여기 좀 가서 이렇게 여기는 맨하탄 비치입니다. 간만에 바다 나왔더니 촌스럽기만. 우리가 저기다 예약한 거야? 스트란드 하우스. 여기 코너 자리 주면 좋겠다. 2층에. 2층으로 들어가는구나. Hello, hi. Have you seen her before?
Pictures.
Picture, Instagram.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
그래서 이제 밥을 먹으려고 들어왔는데 메뉴가 7 a.m.부터 7 p.m.까지 브런치. Did you see this?
Oh no, that's sunrise. Like,
Isn't it the time period for the brunch?
no, this is the sunset. I think they're just telling you when. Yeah, the sunset. Yeah.
Oh, they don't have to tell me.
They bring this out every day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
매일 이걸
Yeah, they
뺀다고?
bring this out every day.
Why waste paper?
I know, right?
I'm gonna have steak and egg. Ashley's having probably French toast. What are you having, Olivia?
I was gonna get the steak and egg.
You can take it. I'll get something else. What do you want? You want that?
Is it delicious? Yes. But yeah, I can no alcohol on here. Like, yeah, but I don't make I mean, I'm doing my master's.
I don't put sugar.
Yeah, you have. I think you have housing, but it's limited because it's in Malibu. It's a pretty nice area. Everyone want to.
Is there even enough? You're gonna be so full after this hot chocolate? Oh, hello.
There's tiny cups here, like this one. It's not fun.
I don't want to drink it because
It's cool. If you like outdoor, drink at the race.
맛있어?
I mean it's just really
근데 되게 다를 것 같아.
wasn't it just really cool?
Yeah, during summer, I think it's fine during the day, but nighttime I need to
I'm still just getting fun.
폼만 먹고 있었어 지금?
It's just here everywhere, so it's fine. Yeah, it's not too bad.
여기는 터킹, 여기는 20살, 여기는 27살. 둘이서 신나게 떠들고 있어. St. Patrick's Day. Is it today?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, today is St.
That's why it's so hard
Patrick's
to
Day.
take like one. Like it's all full legal. Even
Oh.
12.
That's so weird that people celebrate St. Patrick's Day.
Actually, I used to last year.
Like what?
Like drinks.
Oh yeah. I'm wearing drinks.
And yeah, and green dress. I last year. First time for brunch maybe.
Oh, well, welcome to Strand House.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Keep that camera on.
Yeah,
That's just in the middle.
yeah.
Yikes. Okay.
Oh, let me.
No space.
Yeah, right. It's a hot
Can
plate.
push this.
That it's gonna be hard to move because it's hard to be
It's for me.
Oh.
Oh, it's not. It's not.
Wow, that's
We have to shake.
Should we put it in the middle? Because you have your own meal, right?
Push it, push it. Is it hot?
Warm. Good. I'm cold.
Did I order anything?
I think so. It's not here yet.
Kale salad. Oh, Olivia steak. So small. 맛있겠다.
But not like
Enjoy your meal, everybody.
Thank you.
those are like more American
Yeah.
style.
Yeah, I usually
이거 너무 많이 시킨 거 아니야? 조금. I just said in Korean that we order too much and she goes little too much.
It's okay. I think we can
Heck. Well, my parking is at 3 hours, so
Mine is 2 hours.
Olivia, you want one? Waffle?
I can fit it in half. I don't think I can fit it in half. Sorry.
Don't worry, don't worry.
I want the bad example.
Looks good.
You can choose from here.
You guys do your thing, okay? I want to get some food. They're not or my cigar. Okay, if we take this? Yeah.
스테이크 먹어봤어? 잘 구워졌어? 고기가 어떻게 생겼나봐. 에이, 웰던으로 해버렸네. 올리비아는 미디움을 좋아해. Is it not sweet potato fries? Just French fries?
Regular fries.
Mediterranean. You're gonna break your backs.
너무 먹었더니 근데도 많이 남았네. 한 반절씩 남은 것 같은데 우리가 얼마나 먹었는지. 이 치킨은 뭐 많이 싸가야 될 것 같고.
Oh my god, this is so embarrassing.
You're done. You're done. But she helped one taco. She only ate 2 tacos. This is finished by 애슐리가, and she didn't finish her salad. 요거 많이 먹었어.
Like this particular can.
Olivia's still working on it. 근데 저기에 계란이 2개 있어가지고.
Oh, you can order dessert right here.
She always ordered dessert.
Yeah, my favorite.
This is. 어? 25 minutes? 하나만 더 넣어. 하나만 더 넣어. Come closer. 잠깐만, 사람 지나가고. 더 일로 와.
Oh
에이.
my god, do you drop the water?
She got it. $36? Yeah, I think it's gonna do. One more? 일로 와. 여기로 와. 에이.
Okay, thank you, Olivia. You see my tire?
Oh.
I just messed up. Thank you. I think it's good.
You should have backed up a little
I
bit.
know I should have. Oh my god, do you think I will ruin my car? My tire?
Not really. Elaine is saying this is small. What are you talking about? We ate so much and then we're just melting down and we ordered this. 쟤네는 열심히.
Better?
Oh, it got worse.
Worse?
Let's eat and go home.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
This is sugar, right? The straight sugar.
I think it's graham cracker.
Wow. This is bread and
It's
this
like
salty.
salty. Very salty. Don't eat all that.
It's not salty. Marshmallow.
Elaine, come eat your dessert.
It's okay. You guys, I need to do the pictures. Hey Sophia, you continue. Oh, good. Oh,
What?
Whose stuff is that?
Olivia, your purse? Your backpack?
Yeah, that's mine.
Nice. She's drunk. 여기는 바. 이쪽에서는 술 마시는 사람. Nice flowers. Waiting area. I like this.
Okay. Where are we? See you guys.
아우, 불러.
Yeah, food too. I will see you guys at my place. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, you.
예쁘다. 밥만 먹고 가기에는 너무 억울해. 너무 하늘도 예쁘고. 근데 오늘 좀 춥다. 오늘이 3월 17일 샌패트릭스데이인데 춥네요 아직. 여기 또 바닷가라서 바람이 불어가지고 위쪽하고 온도가 조금 차이가 나죠. 오늘 점심을 잘 먹고 갑니다. 맨하탄비치. 이 비디오 좋으셨으면 엄지척 눌러주시고 다음에 뵐게요. Bye. That's Prince. And this is Junior.
Hello.
프린스는 사람한테 딱 붙어가지고 있는구나. 얘는 그냥 발발발.
And they're Korean.
앉아. 손.
안녕하세요.
손.